Hi, let's learn a question based on intercepts cut by transversal and parallel lines. So here we have been given a picture, a diagram where line Q is parallel to line R and R is parallel to S. So these are the three lines which are parallel to each other. Then T is also parallel to U. Then we have been given this P is parallel to W is parallel to V. Right, so we have identified. Now we are asked to find out the values of angles x, y and z, and also find the lengths of A, B, C, D and F segments. Right, so let us proceed. X, y and z. Fine. I can see that this angle is 90 degree here. So since T and U are parallel to each other, so y would also be 90 degree. Right, y would be 90 degree angle. This we have identified. Okay, then I can see this is 53 angle, so this would also be 53 degree because corresponding line R and line S is parallel, so this is corresponding angle. And same Z would also be 53 degree because 53 degree and this, so Q and R are again parallel lines, so this is corresponding pair of angles. Right, so we have got this. Now this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree, so obviously by supplementary thing, if I say, so this would also be 90 degree, so this I can see is a square, so this would also be 90 degree. And then I can say find out this angle would be how much, would be 90 minus 53, 90 minus 53, that is how much, that is 37 degrees. So I can say that my x is 37 degrees. So we have identified the three angles. X is 37 degrees, y is how much, 90 degrees, and z is how much, 53 degrees. Right, so we have got all the three angles. Now we have to find out our the line segments. Let's proceed for that. A, B, C, D, E and F. So what I can do here is, this is 3, so this would also be 3. Intercepts cut by parallel lines are equal 3. Okay, so my this is this is 10, so D would also be 10 here. Right, then I can say what, this is 6, this is also 6, so this is also 6 here. Okay, so I can now see that this is a right angle triangle, so here A would be equal to what, A would be equal to 10 squared minus 6 squared, and so 100 minus 36, which is 64, so square root of 64, so my A is 8. Okay, so I got A is 8 here. Right, then this is 5, so my B would also be 5. Right, then okay, B, and then C would also be 5 equal. Yes, C would also be 5. D I have already identified, which is 10. Then what is left? What next? We have to find out. Oh wait, this is E, so E would also be A equal to A, so that is 8. Now coming to F, only one is left now, which is F. So F would be how much? Okay, so see, this is 3 plus 6, this segment and this segment equal, and this segment, all are equal because they are in parallel lines. So 6 plus 3, so F would be 6 plus 3, which is 9. So this is how, like, we can use the intercepts cut between the parallel lines, they are equal, and hence using that we can find out the different line segments, and using alternate angles, corresponding angles, vertical angles, all those theorems and postulates, using those we can find out the remaining angles as well. Hope you understood. Keep practicing.